Good morning students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. In the last class, we learned comparing fractions. Look here, Rogan went to a pet shop. He bought 15 goldfish and 7 bluefish. How many fish did he buy? Here we have to find the total number of fish. So add the number of goldfish and bluefish. That is, add 15 and 7, we get 22. Which operation do we use here? Yes, it is addition. Today we are going to learn addition of decimals. Students, how do we read this number? Yes, 2 and 37 hundredths. We can also read this number as 2.37. Arrange in columns and add. Example 1. Add 1.15 and 1.32. Here the number of decimal places are same. So they are called as like decimals. Let's write like decimals is equal to 1.15 plus 1.32. Now write the place values. Ones, point, tens and hundreds. Then write 1 in ones, 1 in tens and 5 in hundreds. Then write the another number 1 in ones place, 3 in tens place and 2 in hundreds place. Now add these two decimals. Add 5 and 2, we get 7. Then add 1 and 3, we get 4. Point, add 1 and 1, we get 2. Now we get the answer as 2.47. Example 2. Add 7.47 and 3.7. Here the given decimals are unlike decimals. So we have to convert into like decimals. Here write unlike decimals is equal to 7.47 and 3.7. Now find the like decimals. Like decimals is equal to 7.47 and 3.7 can be written as 3.70. So write 7.47 plus 3.70. Now write the place value chart. Ones, point, tens and hundreds. 7 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place. Now write the another number 3 in ones place, point, 7 in tens place and 0 in hundreds place. Let's add these decimals. Add 7 and 0, we get 7. Then add 4 and 7, we get 11. Write 1, carry 1 over to the next place. Now add 1 and 7, we get 8. Then add 8 and 3, we get 11. Now we get the answer as 11.17. Example 3. On a certain day, Mr. Kamal drove 36.8 km before lunch and 12.9 km after lunch. How far did he drive that day? Let's read one more time for better understanding. How far did Mr. Kamal drive before lunch? Yes, Mr. Kamal drove 36.8 km before lunch. How far did he drive after lunch? Yes, he drove 12.9 km after lunch. Here we have to find the total distance he drove. So we have to add the distance he drove before lunch and after lunch. Let's write Mr. Kamal drove before lunch is equal to 36.8 km. Mr. Kamal drove after lunch is equal to 12.9 km. To find the total distance he drove by adding 36.8 km and 12.9 km. Here the number of decimal places are same, so they are called as like decimals. Let's write the places ones and tens, point in decimal part tens. Now write 6 in ones place, 3 in tens place, point 8 in tens place. Then write the another number 2 in ones place, 1 in tens place, point 9 in tens place. Now add these decimals. Add 8 and 9, we get 17. Write 7, carry 1 over to the next place. Write point. Add 1 and 6, we get 7. Then add 7 and 2, we get 9. Then add 3 and 1, we get 4. Now we get the answer as total distance he drove is equal to 49.7 km. Example 4. In a long jump competition, Mohan jumped a distance of 1.2 meter, 0.97 meter and 1.3 meter. What was the total distance he jumped? Here, some distances he jumped are given. They are 1.2 meter, 0.97 meter and 1.3 meter. Here we have to find the total distance. So add the distances he jumped. Let's write distance of first jump is equal to 1.2 meter and distance of second jump is equal to 0.97 meter and distance of the third jump is equal to 1.3 meter. Let's find the total distance he jumped by adding the distances 1.2 meter, 0.97 meter and 1.3 meter. That is 1.2 plus 0.97 plus 1.3. Now write the places ones, point, tens and hundreds. Write 1 in ones place, point 2 in tens place. Then write the another number 0 in ones place, 9 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place. Then write the another number 1 in ones place, point 3 in tens place. Here 1.2 can be written as 1.20 and also 1.3 can be written as 1.30. Let's add these decimals. Add 0 and 7, we get 7. Then add 7 and 0, we get 7. Then add 2 and 9, we get 11. Then add 11 and 3, we get 14. Write 4. Carry 1 over to the next place. Then add 1 and 1, we get 2. 2 and 1, we get 3. We get the answer as total distance Mohan jumped is equal to 3.47 meter. Students, hope you have understood the topic. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.